Hi guys! I'm Nicole. So today, pansin nyo, nasa ibang location tayo. So, nasa cafe ako ngayon. And then, maganda siguro mag-react dito sa cafe na to. Kasi magandang cafe na to kasi nandito tayo sa mountain. Saan ba yung view? May curtain kasi. And rinig ba boses? Ayan, yan yung view sa likod. So today, magre-react tayo sa I Surrender by Katrina Velarde at saka kay Jessica Villarubin. So itong kantang to is originally by Celine Dion. Alam nyo ba, naalala ko nung mga days ko na nagvo-vocal training ako. Yung mga kanta ni Celine Dion talaga ang ginagamit namin as vocal exercise. Like example, yung pinagpa-practicean kami na pa mas kabisado or mas ma-master namin yung pag-sustain. So, ginagamit namin is yung To Love You More kay Celine Dion na yan yung ginagamit namin. Like, parang ang challenge, ang ginagawa namin is yung parang challenge na dalawang set na ganun, tapos one breath lang lahat. Yan yung parang pagpatibay, pagpasustain na mga notas. Ayan, naalala ko lang kasi Celine Dion talaga yung ginagamit namin. At saka fan din ako kay Celine Dion. Kasi mga favorite songs ko kay Celine Dion, ito, I Surrender, My Heart Will Go On, yung To Love You More, at saka yung Power of Love. 'Cause I'm your... Oh, diba? Ay, ayan, may pa-drinks pala tayo, guys. So, let's start na sa ating reaction.
So much life I've left to live, and this fire is burning still. When I watch you look at me, I think I could find the will to stand for every dream and forsake this solid ground and give up this fear within of what would happen if they ever knew I'm in love with you.
Ganda.
'Cause I surrender everything to feel the chance to live again. I reach to you. I know you can feel it too. We'd make it through 1,000 dreams. I still believe I'd make you give them all to me. I'd hold you in my arms and never let go. I surrender.
Katrina Velarde na part, grabe, napaka-powerful talaga ng vocals ni ni Katrina. Tapos yung breathy, yung manipis na tones na ginagamit niya, nakakadagdag ng emotions, nakakadagdag ng intensity sa kanta, na parang ma-feel mo talaga, tagos puso talaga. Galing, ang ganda.
I surrender.
Yan, Jessica na.
I know I can survive another night away from you. You're the reason I go on, and I would need to live the truth right now. There's no better time from this fear. I will break free and live again with love. I know they can't take that away from me, and they will sing, yeah. I surrender everything to have the chance to live again. I reach to you. I know you can feel it.
Oh, dito. Grabe si Jessica rin, hindi rin nagpapatalbog sa vocals. Yung powerful rin yung atake niya, tsaka yung vibrato niya, ang ganda-ganda. Then yung high notes, napaka-ganda ng pagka-sustain, ganda, napaka-precise na pagka-hit. Grabe. As in, napaka powerful ng performance na to talaga.
from me, and they will sing, yeah. I surrender everything to have the chance to live again. I reach to you. I know you can feel it too. And make it through 1,000 dreams. I still believe I'd make you give them all to me. I'd hold you in my arms and never let go. I surrender. Every night's getting longer, and this fire's getting stronger, baby. I'll swallow my pride, and I'll be alive. Can't you hear my call? I surrender.
Guys, grabe yung patalugan ng mga vocals, yung mga high notes nila, yung blending, yung harmony. Ang ganda, ang perfect. Grabe talaga yung klaseng pagka-blending nila, hindi lang yung mga low note, high note. It's high note tsaka high notes rin. Grabe, ang ganda. Ang hayag. Right here, right now, I give my life to live again. I'll break free, take me, my everything. I surrender all to you. I'll break free, take me, my everything. I surrender to I Grabe. Ang ganda ni Katrina sa last. Ha. Grabe yun. Grabe yun yung parang ang grabe na mga sustains. Ako yung parang hinihinga sa kanila. Grabe yung lung support, yung tawag dito, yung supply ng air na, sa lungs nila na para masustain yung mga high notes, yung mga belting nila. Grabe yun. Grabe yung performance na yun. Like, binigay talaga ng justice. Tapos, tinake nila to the next level. Yung I Surrender, yung high notes ni Katrina, yung whistle niya. Ang taas nun. Grabe. Tapos si Jessica rin, napaka-amazing niya kasi hindi siya nagpatalo sa vocal, sa power ni Katrina. Grabe dalawang powerhouse na mga vocals talaga. Ang ganda. Tapos the way rin talaga na dineliver nila yung kantang I Surrender, binigyan ng justice. Grabe yung emotions na nafe-feel natin. Like nafe-feel mo talaga sa puso mo na I surrender. Yung ganun, grabe yun. Grabe talaga yung high notes. Isa talaga to sa mga paborito kong cover ng I Surrender. Ayan. Tapos paborito ko rin tong kanta na I Surrender. So, I'm very happy sa kanilang performance. As in, mind-blowing talaga. So, that's it for today, guys. Hope nag-enjoy kayo sa ating reaction ng I Surrender by Katrina Velarde at saka ni Jessica Villarubin na originally by Celine Dion. So, don't forget to like, leave a comment yung mga suggestions nyo, and don't forget to subscribe! See you sa next video. Bye! Hi guys! So, ayan, pauwi na kami. Share ko lang yung view dito kasi napakaganda. Ganda ng nature. Wait lang. May side dito na gusto ko ipakita sa inyo na very pretty. Diba? Naging plus vlog yung reaction video natin. Wait lang. Lakad muna tayo. Ay, chika, I wear glasses. Pero hindi naman to glasses na yung my grade. Ano lang to siya for anti-radiation. Kasi yung mata ko medyo sensitive sa mga very light, very mahayag places. Ayan, ito yung gusto ko pakita sa inyo, guys. Diba ang pretty? Ang ganda ng pagkaano ng grass, yung flowers. So nice. Yan lang gusto ko ipakita sa inyo, guys. It's very nice na to come here sa nature and get fresh air. So that's it, guys. See you sa next video. Bye!